Alright, y'all, we just finished loading up the last of the keto bricks. All the shipping labels are on the package. Hold on 1 second. Can I open this? Can I open this? Yeah, here we go. Look at this, y'all. The van is plumb full. Can I open the back door, or is it gonna all overflow on me? Check that out. Check it out. That's what I'm talking about.
It's like heaven.
What do you think, CJ? You like it?
It's awesome, bro.
CJ and I are gonna drop these off at the facility, the USPS facility. Crystal and Kyle are gonna start cleaning, and then I'm gonna pick up more ingredients at my uncle's warehouse. Hopefully they've been delivered, and we're gonna start batching for the next round of keto bricks. So get ready. We got the USPS crew putting in work in here. We got 1, 2, 3, and then they already took 1. We got 1 more coming. All right, y'all. CJ and I, we just got done delivering to USPS. They were kind enough to give us a tour of the entire facility. Pretty sweet. I gotta take my e-brake off. Now we're gonna pick up some ingredients. Alright, y'all, so the bricks are all delivered. We're gonna do our little cookout tonight. While we're waiting on people to get here for the cookout, we're working on the gym, getting that all set up. Let me show you what we got going on. So I'm gonna put black metal siding on all of the walls here to make it look uniform, and I'm gonna screw in to these girts, but there's no girt on the bottom. That's just flat up against the ground. So I'm gonna get a 2x4 and run it on the bottom, and I'm gonna screw into that 2x4. But since this is somebody else's property, I'm not going to screw the 2x4 into the wall or into the ground. I'm gonna get liquid nails and put that down. So we're gonna run to Lowe's, grab that. Still can't talk. I got CJ making bricks and pushing boards. This is how we travel here.
Where's your bug?
Don't let him lie. We've been in there for 3 days.
You get some grub at Edwards. Right now, Kayla's getting chips. This is not for me.
It's for the kids.
We got ribeyes. What y'all getting? Y'all got bratwurst. They got brats on the bottom. I gotta get some more footage for today, so I'm gonna pass around the camera while they're riding around the back of the van. They're gonna introduce themselves. There you go.
What's up, guys? I'm Caleb, soon to be part of the crew. We're gonna try and make it home safe and grub down, celebrate.
Hey guys, I'm Kayla. I'm part of the crew. I've been part of the crew since like May-ish, so I'm sure most of you know me. Oh gosh!
Oh, hello.
Sorry, we're dying.
It's Dylan. I've been part of the crew for about a month here. Robert cannot drive, first of all, and this is a health risk, and somebody should call the police.
Don't say that. Hey guys, I'm the other Kayla, and hopefully soon to be part of the crew. And I'm super excited to be here and eat some good food and not die on the way there.
Robert is going way too fast on purpose because he knows we have the camera. That way you can tell that stuff is going everywhere.
So, oh wait, hold on, let me get in the light here. Alright, someone tell me what we're eating over here.
Pork rinds and melty cheese.
That would actually be.
What happened to you today?
What happened to me?
Did you go keto?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did. So we got
I did.
pork rinds, melty cheese, keto friendly, guacamole, salsa. Just like miss all the junk over there.
I know. I'm like,
You hold it the bow with this hand. So put this hand pulls the string back. So put your 3 fingers beneath the arrow. Make sure it's seated up next to it. And you want to basically pull back and bring your knuckle to like your earlobe or something.
All right. You didn't have your finger and then
no.
Just keep it under or on top.
Yeah. If this, try and have it at a little bit of an angle.
Now right here.
Yeah, while you're pulling back. That way it doesn't
Fix his
fall
fingers.
off like that. Oh, yeah, and you can, yeah, there you go, right there.
Okay.
And then put this hand up a little high. Yep. And then just pull back.
All right.
Oh. Yeah, keep the bow at a little bit of an angle.
Oh, okay, okay, like
While
this.
you're pulling back.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
You said this thing will pop me if I do it too far.
Now you're good. Keep going back. Keep going back farther. There you go. Check it out, man.
All right.
Check it out.
Uh-huh. In the fridge.
You
What?
keep both eyes open? Or did you sort of-
Yeah, bottom shelf.
Did you always?
Check it out. That's the one you ate for. That's what you ate for, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. What?
How's that look, bro?
Professional, man. What do you think, babe? Keto brick Pow-Wow? It's good?
So good.
Alright, y'all, so the vlog today is done. Everybody's left. Corey came late, but he's here now. That's all that matters.
That's right.
So, Crystal, Corey,
Save the best for last.
Jack, myself, we just want to close out the vlog, say it was an awesome cookout. Awesome having everybody over here. We're like a family, y'all. A Keto Brick family. We couldn't do it without everybody. We love y'all. It's awesome.